Hi, this is the Tecno Pova 5 Pro and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail accounts on this device. So first we should open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Go to the Manage Accounts on this device section because now we should first log out from the Google app and after that we'll automatically log out from the Gmail account. So that's why tap here to your account, click to remove account and confirm your action. Are you sure? Tap to OK, enter the one from the protect methods on your device if you use them. Now we just successfully log out from the Google account and after that just go back to the Gmail app. So as you could see, we just successfully log out from the Gmail application. So that's it, thank you for watching and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe.